Hey everyone, this is Shirley. This is Jamming with Yarn, and I'm making this video. Miss Shirley, she shows how to save money, but I've been saving money in this cookie jar, biscotti jar here for maybe a couple of years. And so I know I don't have enough wrappers, but this is what it looked like. I have dimes. I have very little quarters because I use them for the laundry. A few here when I come in the house, I throw them in there. And then these are all nickels. These are all dimes. And I think I have some more. I think I do. I'm just going to throw them in here. That's in a little thing. And then maybe I may do it a little bit neater starting this month. So we'll find out what all this totaled up to. Okay, Shirley, I am back, Sherly. So far I got 5, 10, 15, 20, $25, and I'm stopping. That's a lot. I'm tired. I have more dimes in here. I didn't do any of the nickels, but what I did do was I separated the nickels and all the silver from out of here that I could possibly see. And I am going to put it back in my jar. And eventually, I do need more pennies because I don't have enough pennies at all. And I don't have any quarters, so, but I do have the nickels and the dimes, so I'll get more of that. And then I would normally throw some in here from when I come in once this little thing got full. So, and I take that and separate this, put it in its correct pile. But it did also have some foreign money, which I'm not sure what this is. I think that, yeah, okay. I don't know if that's Philippine money, or I don't know what you call it. Rubies, pesos. I'm not rubies. I think is India. So this one here, I don't know if this one is real or not. This is the Great Wall of China. I know that, so that may not be real money. It might just be a souvenir. And then I have this one here. Let's see. Can't see what that is. Come on. I see cents on there. Yeah, not quite sure what that is. Oops. Oh, where are you? Okay, there. Yeah, who is that? Can't see who that is. Anyway, so I have a few and then a couple of them that need to be cleaned. This is just my little board here. I need to use some salt and lemon juice to clean all that off. You know where that's at. Right here. Okay, so that is it, Miss Sherly. I will definitely try to do it your way. I think it'll be a lot easier, because I definitely will not put them in that machine, because no, they don't get to get percentage of it. I just have to roll it up or get some kind of rolling machine. I think I've seen some, and do it that way. Thank you for encouraging us, and everyone have a great day. Bye-bye. Shirley, I just left the bank and got $25 from the dimes. And I got more pennies. I still don't think that's going to be enough for all the pennies I have. And I have more dimes. She gave me some nickels. So I don't know how, that's just labor intensive. Oh my gosh. I see, sometimes on one of the videos or TikToks or something, media, let me just start saying social media. I saw one guy had like a big water bottle full of coins, I think pennies and stuff like that. And I think he might have got like $700 or something like that. But he put it in the machine. So, they're going to get a percent, which is fine. And I have a big jar, and I was saying, yeah, you put it all in there, and I'm not going to be able to carry that. So, once I get this down, I'm going to have to be diligent on wrapping them up quickly so it don't become too much. Okay, bye-bye.